Alright guys, so this is gonna be part 2 on how to replace the belts on this awesome boombox. This is a Panasonic RX-FD80, which is a CD-cassette player radio. Yeah. So I was checking the cassette deck. If you watch the first part, you know how disassemble the front cover, so I could reveal the cassette deck. You gotta unplug these two cables from the main board, and then you got this. I think to replace the belts, you need to remove only 2 screws, but I might be wrong. It could be 4. Okay. So we're gonna remove those screws. Okay. It's gonna be this one and this one. I think. Okay. Oh, you know what? First, we're gonna remove these zip ties, which are holding these cables, because we're gonna have to flip the this plate over. So actually, you know what? No, yeah, we need to remove it just to make sure. As you can see, this zip tie was holding these cables back in place like that, and these ones, which they're supposed to be in this hook right here. All right. Okay, let's remove those screws. And the one on the other side. I think they're the same size. All right, you know what? I think I also need to remove this one. Okay. Yeah. And then it's gonna come off like that. A little bit complicated. And as you can see, this particular cassette deck needs 3 belts. Make a little drawing right here. Sorry if it doesn't look that good, but I did my best. All right, so this is the motor and these are the 2 flywheels. All right, and as you can see, there's 1 belt going from the motor all the way to 1 flywheel and around the second one like that. And then the flywheel on the left has a inner groove that goes to, and in goes a belt and goes around and around this pulley and around the other group on the flywheel. All right, and the second flywheel has another groove in the middle, smaller one, and then that one goes from this pulley, other pulley, bigger pulley, to the flywheel on the inside. All right, and that's what we're gonna do right now. But you know what, in this particular deck, if you want to remove the flywheels, you have to remove this plastic washer right here with a knife or some pliers or something like that. But sometimes I don't want to do that if I don't have to, because the little washers might get dented and they're not gonna go in the way they came out, the same way they came out, you know what I mean? So I'm gonna see if I can remove the belt this way. Hopefully, I know it's melted, but hopefully I can remove it like that. There you go. And then I can go around. Like this. There you go. Whoa, that was scary. If you want to see the big one, this is the other one. It was already broken in there. I might be able to put a little bit of tape on this one and maybe get one the same size, a little bit tighter, just a little bit. And then I think this one, it's intact, but I'm still gonna replace it. Yeah, I'm touching the belt right now and it feels dry, like it's about to break. Yeah. I'm gonna find these two. This one is this one, the green one, and this one is the blue one. All right, and then I'm gonna have to find the one that got melted. I'm gonna look for that one first. All right, I don't know if you guys want to watch this. Something tells me that you don't want to watch this, watching me trying to find the belts. So I'm gonna end part 2 right there and already show you how they go. So I'm gonna install them once I find them. And other than that, is just need a cleaning with alcohol. You need to clean the heads and the flywheels. This part right here, you need to clean the pinch rollers too. A little bit of alcohol here so you can clean the pads, the belt pads, and yeah, all of them, all the pulleys. Put it all back together and then test it. I don't think it needs any grease or anything like that, but I'm gonna check once I install all the belts. And other than that, that's all it needs. And after that, once I install the belts, I'm gonna show you obviously if the belts are working the way they are supposed to. And this boombox, basically that's all it needs, just the belts for the cassette deck. The motor was working itself, but to be honest, I don't know if it's gonna have any sound on the cassette deck. All right, so I already deoxyed the controls, all of them, including these buttons right here, so they should be able to work. All right, other than that, that's all it needs. All right, so I'm gonna see you on the next one. Thanks for watching, guys.